How to download apps in laptop. If any day you are a laptop user and you'd like to download apps in laptop but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you proceed to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search apps and features there and tap on that. After you tap on the apps and features, it may lead to you the problem or it may lead to you the very screen on the apps and features. But if you see the screen like this, you have to cut it out because this is the option of the Google Chrome or the Google browser. Therefore, again, you have to go to the option of search and then you have to search apps there. Now, if it's a laptop, you may find the option of the Microsoft Store on your very laptop. So you'd have to tap on the option of the Microsoft Store. After you tap on the option of the Microsoft Store and go to the option of open, it will be launched on your very mobile device. And as like, you can download the various kind of applications from your very Android device with the help of Google Play Store. Likewise, on your very laptop, that is the Dell or any other company, you can also download it from the help of the Microsoft Store there. So after you launch the Microsoft Store, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the search icon and you have to search any of the application that you would like to download on your very laptop or your PC. And after that, you have to tap on the option of the get. So after you tap on the option of the get, and if you're connected to a stable internet connection, the very application will be downloaded and installed on your very laptop automatically. And this way you can download or install the very application on your very laptop or your PC very nicely. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.